In this video, we'll enable SSH key authentication for our VPS server. It's much more secure than using a password. We'll create key pairs, a public key and a private key. Think of the public key as a lock for your VPS and the private key as the key to unlock it. We encrypt with the public key and decrypt with the private key. Each public key has a unique private key. To do that, first, we create key pairs, then export the public key to the VPS, and after that, use the private key to log in. Finally, we'll disable password login, making key authentication the only way to log in. First, let's create the key pairs. We'll use Termius, which has a built-in key generator. Go to the Keychain tab in Termius, click Generate Key in the top left. Then give it a label. I'll use Key 1, but you can name it whatever you like. Select RSA for key type and set the key size to 4096. You can add a passphrase for extra security, but I'll leave it empty. Then click Generate and save. Once the keys are generated, you'll see both a private key and a public key. Click Export to Host to send the public key to your VPS. Select the VPS you want to add the public key to, then click Export and Attach. If you've saved the VPS password in Termius, it won't ask for it. After a moment, it should show exported, confirming the key was added successfully. Now, we'll disable password login. Connect to your server and run this command. Make sure pubkey authentication is set to yes. If it's no, change it to yes. To disable password login, set password authentication to no. Save by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y, and enter. If you're on Debian or Ubuntu, to apply the changes, restart SSH by running this. If you're using a different Linux distro, like CentOS, Fedora, or Arch, I've added the proper restart commands in the video description. To test if key authentication is enabled and password login is disabled, remove the VPS password from Termius. Then try to connect to the server. If it logs in without asking for a password, key authentication is working and password authentication is disabled. And that's it. Your VPS is now secure with SSH key authentication. You've disabled password login and made key authentication the only way to log in. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Let me know if you'd like to see more tutorials like this.